More often than not, people behave with their Python code, although sometimes they don't. These are their stories. You're familiar with functions, right? If I say print out 5, it prints out 5. If I say bin of 3, it returns a string that is the number 3 in binary. If I say pow of 2 comma 3, that does exponentiation, raising 2 to the third power, or 8. You're also familiar with variables, right? I can make as many variables as I want. X equals 1, Y equals 2, Z equals 3. But what happens if functions start becoming variables? Certainly there's something in Python stopping you from turning one of its built-in functions to a random string, right? You'd be wrong. I can print bin of 6 and get 6 in binary. Then I can just store the string British bloke in the name of the function bin as a variable. From then on, bin just works like any regular variable. Of course, don't actually do this in your code. It's good to know that this is possible, though, to be able to track down bugs. Now you know that you can just assign random values to function names and they'll act as variables.